turn off the heater so that you guys can hear me. Hi guys, so today I am doing a unboxing with you guys. I'm hoping to get as much clips as I can, as this camera is literally about to die. Bought a little more than I was supposed to. I felt like I deserved it. I got really good marks last semester, so I wanted to treat myself to some new clothes, nice fitted clothes. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Aritzia. If you were taking advantage of that sale with Aritzia, you will know the struggle. You will understand why packages were split up in tens. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna start with the one package I did open because I could not wait. But I'm just going to show you guys what it is that I got. So these are the 90s chinos. I'm going to see if I can like maybe add like, you know, a little attachment, something right here so you can see exactly what these pants are. But I am quite short, well my legs are short, so it kind of fit a little interesting. But I'll see if I can, you know, sorry guys, not doing a try on. Should I do a try on? Anyways, maybe I should do a try on. Let me just, so these are the pants. I love the shape of them, and if I wear like heels, these would be that cute. Yeah. To the next package that we have here. This one actually came today, I believe. This is my sweater that I bought. So this is the next package that we have. Yes. Let's see what it's called. It's the Cozy All Day Half Zip Sweater. I was hunting down this sweater. Like when I say I was hunting it down, I mean every 2 hours checking Aritzia, like did you restock? I kind of felt like the small would have been better, but then seeing it now too, and then knowing that the model that was wearing it online was was 5'11". I'm like 5'2", 5'3", so I'm like, hey, you know what, I think I'll be fine with the extra small. You guys can let me know what you think. This is how it's sitting so far. If I was supposed to wear it, it would be slightly cropped, but I think that's perfect. I'm also like slowly getting into t-shirts that are slightly cropped but not cropped, like just enough for you. Small little bit of waist showing, but nothing too crazy. I think we are all getting over the excessive cropped tops. They're obviously a moment when they're meant to be, but time and place for everything, you know what I mean? Okay, let's switch it up. So this one is something I've been wanting for a very long time. Browns has had it for a very long time, obviously at retail price. These usually retail between $200 to $300. I got it on sale for $150. This style that I think I got in particular was about like $250, maybe close to $300, but I got this for $150 and I'm very grateful. I don't want to say what it is. I got these at Sporting Life. Obviously that's why they were on sale. I got at Sporting Life. I think the actual Manitoba site did have some on sale, but they weren't this cheap. I'll actually just dive into this one really quick since it was a small thrifted piece, but I like these pants a lot. They're Levi's apparently. I don't know how to identify a original Levi's. It does say Levi's on the, you know, on the little thingy. Is it gonna, no? Okay. At the back, the original Levi's tag has a tapered bottom, which I folded because I'm literally too short. But yeah, has a tapered leg. It sits just below my belly button. I would definitely say that this is like a mid-rise. Maybe styling these jeans with the Manitoba boots would be a really cute look, as they both have gray tones to it. This is obviously like a black, but you know, not really. It kind of has more of a washed out look to it. But yeah. This I got from Exile. Back into an Aritzia package. We have some more. Okay, so this is the next item I bought. This I was really excited for because I thought it was really cute. It's very dainty. I like spaghetti straps. I'm not necessarily a fan of the really thick strap tank tops. I like the, you know, the little ruching that's in the middle, which I think would really complement my bust area. But yeah, it has the regular TNA logo at the back. I'm gonna get into the last Aritzia package. Technically the last one. No, technically not the last one, but the last one that I have with me. The next one that I got is this relay top. I'm really obsessed. I cannot wait to style this. I think it's gonna be really cute. I actually already own the Life flare leggings, so I think that this would be a perfect addition to that, and wearing them together would be really nice and cute. Really wanting to tap into more feminine clothing that I find that really complements my body. So I thought this piece would be perfect to, you know, add to that collection. And then I actually also got the Scrunchy Sunday's Best socks. These ones will definitely be a lot longer, and as you can see, they probably will. Very excited for them. Can't wait to style them. We have one more package. So, okay. Last but not least, I went on the website and they finally restocked after such a long time. Some might really know when I show the box. But it is Sambas. I needed shoes. I'm going back to school, so just wanting to have simple sneakers that I can kind of pair and style with anything. I'm just gonna make sure this fits me, because that would just be a nightmare if it doesn't. Nice, it does. I finally have Sambas that I trust, Sambas that I think will fit me very well. Very, very grateful for some nice clothing that I know is gonna last me a while, and things that I know I actually look really good in. My camera died. This shopping spree that I went on definitely allowed me to really prioritize the basics. I do want to do some more shopping, as I did buy a lot of black. I enjoy black a lot. I think it looks really sleek, but I do want to eventually dive into color and lighter tones as well. I think another thing to be very mindful of and to note is that, you know, when you look good, you feel good. So I wanted to make sure that that's the experience that I'm having with the clothing that I have in my closet. I was finding myself often going through my closet and being like, oh my god, I like this, but oh, this doesn't fit me that well. I don't really like how this sits on my body. I want to feel like anything that's in my closet looks good on me at all times. I just want to be able to grab, you know, pair a nice fit together and go. I'm definitely going to be showing my journey of clothing and, you know, really tapping into fashion more and showcasing that experience here on this channel. Definitely been wanting to do this channel for quite some time, or just being able to grow the channel per se. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I would hope to put out more. I want to start off by putting out maybe like once a month. We're gonna mention it here and manifest that. And there's gonna be a lot more as time progresses, and yeah, I'm really excited to just put out more visual diaries, visual content out. I think that's what I really enjoy when it comes to sharing content here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell me down below a piece that you think is very mandatory that you cannot live without in your closet, or a piece that you would say really elevates your outfit, I want to really take away from, implement within the things that I do, whether it be my personal experience with fashion, my art, etc., and sharing that with you guys. So yeah, hope you guys have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.